Space is trying to kill you in ways that are so terrifying, most people can't even imagine them. Right now, as you're sitting safely on Earth, there are cosmic forces at work that could end everything you know in an instant. Today, I'm going to share 4 space facts that are so disturbing, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. And I'm warning you right now, fact number 3 is so scary that NASA doesn't like talking about it publicly. Let's start with something that sounds peaceful, but is actually nightmare fuel. Space is completely silent, and this fact could actually kill you in ways you never imagined. Sound needs molecules to travel through, and space is essentially a perfect vacuum with no air to carry sound waves. But here's the terrifying part. If you were exposed to space without a spacesuit, you wouldn't die from the cold or lack of oxygen first. The absence of air pressure would cause the water in your body to instantly boil at normal body temperature, creating bubbles in your bloodstream and tissues. You'd have about 15 seconds of consciousness before passing out, and your body would swell to twice its normal size. So space's silence isn't just eerie. It's a sign of an environment so hostile that it would literally make your body turn against itself. But the vacuum of space is nothing compared to what's happening on a cosmic scale. Earth's magnetic field is the only thing standing between you and instant death from space radiation. This invisible shield deflects deadly cosmic rays and solar wind that would strip away our atmosphere and sterilize the planet's surface. But here's what's absolutely terrifying. Earth's magnetic field is currently weakening and moving, and it completely flips polarity every few 100,000 years. During a magnetic pole reversal, which could happen within the next few centuries, Earth's magnetic protection temporarily disappears, leaving all life exposed to lethal radiation from space. Scientists have found evidence that previous magnetic reversals coincided with mass extinction events in Earth's history. So we're living under an invisible umbrella that's slowly failing, and when it collapses, it could end civilization as we know it. Now you might be thinking, surely we'd have some warning before something that catastrophic happens. But space doesn't give warnings. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun and moves at speeds that defy comprehension, but that's nothing compared to cosmic events. A single gamma ray burst from a star thousands of light years away could sterilize half of Earth in seconds. These bursts release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. The worst part? We wouldn't see it coming. Gamma ray bursts travel at the speed of light, so the deadly radiation would hit us at the exact same moment we detected it. There would be no time to prepare, no time to take shelter, no time to say goodbye. One moment you're living your normal life, the next moment half the planet is bathed in radiation levels that would cook everything on the surface. But here's the space fact that will absolutely haunt you. We're not safe even in our own cosmic neighborhood. There are rogue planets flying through space with no star to orbit, traveling at incredible speeds through the darkness. These planetary orphans were ejected from their original solar systems by gravitational interactions, and now they wander the galaxy like cosmic bullets. If a rogue planet entered our solar system, it would completely destabilize the orbits of every planet, including Earth. We could be flung into the outer reaches of the solar system, where we'd freeze instantly, or hurled into the sun where we'd be vaporized. The gravitational chaos would tear apart the asteroid belt, sending massive rocks flying in every direction like cosmic shrapnel. Scientists estimate there could be billions of rogue planets in our galaxy alone, and we have no way to track most of them because they don't emit light. They're invisible until they get close enough to block starlight, and by then it would be far too late to do anything about it. So right now, there could be a planet-sized object hurtling toward us through the darkness, and we would never know until it was already here. Some of you are probably wondering why I'm telling you this terrifying information. Because space puts everything in perspective. Every argument you have, every stress about work or relationships, every worry about social media drama becomes meaningless when you realize we're all passengers on a tiny rock flying through a universe that's actively trying to destroy us. But here's the amazing part. Despite all these cosmic threats, life found a way to exist and thrive. You are the product of nearly 4 billion years of evolution that survived asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, ice ages, magnetic reversals, and countless other disasters. Your very existence is proof that life is more resilient than all the forces trying to destroy it. The fact that you're here, watching this video, thinking about these cosmic threats, is actually the most incredible miracle in the universe. You're made from elements that were forged in the hearts of dying stars billions of years ago. You are literally stardust that became conscious and learned to contemplate its own existence. Here's what I want you to do with this information. Don't let it paralyze you with fear. Let it inspire you to make the most of the time you have. Every day you wake up on this planet is a day you won the cosmic lottery. Every breath you take is possible because of magnetic fields and atmospheric layers and orbital mechanics that all had to align perfectly for life to exist. Look up at the stars tonight and remember that despite all the ways space is trying to kill us, we're still here. We're still exploring, still learning, still pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Comment below and tell me which space fact terrified you the most. If this video made you appreciate being alive on Earth, hit that subscribe button, because I've got more cosmic perspectives that will change how you see your place in the universe. And share this with someone who needs a reminder of just how precious and unlikely our existence really is.